Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abu Siam. My father's name is Saddam Hussein. My mother's name is Kalima Khatun. My village name is Harakandur. I am 11 years old. I read in class 7 of Abu Bakr Siddiq Rajallahu Ta'ala Qawmi and Tahfizul Quran Madrasa. I want to be a Islamic scholar. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody, how are you? I'm also fine. My name is Tanwir Ahmad. My father's name is Mahbub Rahman. He is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. I'm a student of class 6 at Abu Bakr Siddiq Radhiyallahu Anhu Qawmi and Tahfizul Quran Madrasa. I want to be a Islamic scholar. I am from Alpaca. Now I would like to say about my life in this madrasa. I wake up, then I go to study at 9 a.m. I have my breakfast at 10 a.m. After class, I take my bath. I have my lunch at 1 p.m. Then I go to play at 4 p.m. After I enjoy my game, I come back mosque for Maghrib Salah in the evening. This is my daily routine. Okay, that's all my speech today. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you everybody? I'm fine. And you? My name is Imran Hussain. My father's name is Ibrahim Hussain. My father is a businessman. My mother is a homemaker. I live in Shapar Goranpara. I read in class 5. My mother's name is Abu Bakr Siddiq Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu Qawmi and Tahfizul Quran Madrasa. Today, thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, sir. How are you, sir? Nice to meet you. I am Abdullah. My father's name is Anwar. He is a farmer. My mother's name is Amina. She is a housemaker. I live in Alpaca. I study in Abu Bakr Siddiq Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu Qawmi and Tahfizul Quran Madrasa. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, everyone? I am fine. My name is Shahidur Rahman. My father's name is Shahidul Islam. I come from Kunjanpur. My village is Kunjanpur. But I live in Shapar Uchadanga. I study class 6. My father is a building worker and my mother is a homemaker. Also, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
At first, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Imtiaz. My father's name is Muhammad Haruna Rashid. My father is a businessman and my mother is a businesswoman. I am in class 6. My mother's name is Abu Bakr Siddiq Radhiyallahu Qawmi and Tahfizul Quran Madrasa. I am from Tiloni. Thank you very much.